Two-bird story. Once upon a time, in a dense forest, there lived two birds, Mina, a sparrow, and Kubo, a pigeon. These birds had become great friends over time and would often set out together to search for food. One fateful day, a fierce storm swept through the jungle with torrential rain and gusty winds. The storm was so intense that it blew their nests away, leaving them homeless and exposed to nature's wrath. Seeking shelter and protection, Mina and Kubo nestled inside the hollow trunk of an ancient tree nearby. Despite the chaos around them, the shelter felt secure. The following day, the weather cleared up, painting the sky a soft blue. Seeing the sunny weather as an opportunity to rebuild, Mina and Kubo decided to start anew and construct a fresh nest. Mina, agile and swift, gathered dry twigs in no time. Meanwhile, Kubo lovingly arranged them, showcasing his instinct for structure and design. In just a few days, their hard work bore fruit. They created a fine nest, snug and cozy, on one of the tree's sturdy branches. Witnessing their teamwork and perseverance, other birds in the vicinity were inspired. Mina and Kubo's tale of resilience taught them invaluable lessons about true friendship and collaboration. Through helping one another and staying united, they realized any challenge could be overcome, no matter how daunting.